In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom domain in Mailerlite. Adding a custom sending domain in Mailerlite helps your emails look professional and land in the inbox more reliably. You're telling email providers, yes, Mailerlite is allowed to send on behalf of my domain, which improves branding and deliverability. First, log in into your Mailerlite account. From your dashboard, head to Account Settings, then open the Domain section. In the Sending Domains area, click Add Domain. When prompted, enter an email address that uses the domain you want to send from, something like info@yourdomain.com. This tells Mailerlite which domain you plan to authenticate. Save your changes. Mailerlite will now display the DNS records you need to add at your domain provider. Typically, you'll see a mix of CNAME and TXT records. These are used for authentication standards like DKIM and SPF, which help email servers verify that your messages are legitimate. Open a new tab and sign into your domain provider where your DNS is managed. Look for the DNS settings or zone editor. You're not replacing your website, you're simply adding the records Mailerlite gave you. Add each record exactly as shown. Copy the host or name field and the corresponding value or target. Keep the record types the same as instructed, and leave the TTL at its default unless Mailerlite specifies otherwise. Be careful to avoid extra spaces and make sure the host field matches the format your provider expects. If Mailerlite instructs you to adjust an existing SPF record, update the current one rather than creating a second SPF entry. Save your DNS changes. DNS updates aren't instant. They can take anywhere from a few minutes up to 24-48 hours to fully propagate. Return to the domains page in Mailerlite to watch the status. While it's updating, you may see a pending or not authenticated message. That's normal. Just give it time. Once the records are recognized, the domain will show as authenticated. From there, use your domain-based. From addressing campaigns and automations to take advantage of improved deliverability. It's a good idea to send a test email to yourself and check both the inbox and the spam folder. If it's not authenticated yet, wait a bit longer and double-check for typos in your DNS entries. That's it. You've added and authenticated your custom domain in Mailerlite, strengthening your sender reputation and making your emails look on-brand and trustworthy.